Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we're making a sausage, pepper, and rice skillet. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. I'm gonna slice this yellow pepper. I don't want any of the pith. Be a little bitter. I love the color of that. I'm gonna do the same thing with this beautiful red pepper, the red bell pepper. Yo, this will be a good time to subscribe. Hit that notification bell while you at it. Of course, you can use green bell pepper, but these add beautiful punch of color. If I only had green bell pepper, that's what I would use. Now guys, this would be a perfect time to get your rice going. Now I'm using Cajun style andouille smoked sausage, but you can use any smoked sausage you want. A lot of people don't know that smoked sausage like this is already cooked. This one is made with pork, turkey, and beef. Again, you can use any kind you want. Now, I'm just gonna slice this into about, I don't know, a 1/4 or a 1/2 inch slices. The thinner you slice it, the more it goes around, right? But we still want to be generous, 'cause that's how we do. And again, you go spicy or mild as you want. This is andouille sausage, so it does have a little spiciness to it. We're getting our pan over medium heat. Add some olive oil to our pan. Just like so. You know how we do. Always adding the olive oil. Now we're gonna add our sausage. We're gonna cook and stir this sausage until it has some color on it. See this one right here? That's what we're looking for. We're gonna add our peppers. And we're gonna stir these and cook these until they become a little soft. Look how beautiful they are. I'm gonna do this for about 5 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna remove these peppers too. Set them aside. Get over there. Add the tomato paste. Now I'm pouring in the chicken broth. And now I'm gonna work that paste into the chicken broth. And actually, this is bone broth. It's so rich, it's so delicious. But you can just use chicken broth or chicken stock. It's up to you, no big deal. Now that that's worked in, Gonna add the garlic. Smoked paprika and cayenne pepper. Black pepper. Salt. I'm using pink sea salt. Onion powder. And dry parsley. Put that in there. Stir all that in there. Now I'm gonna let all these beautiful flavors simmer for about 2 minutes. Now I have some rice I cooked earlier. And we're gonna get that rice in there. Stir that rice in there just like that. Now I'm gonna add the sausage and pepper back to the pan. And we're gonna stir that in. Simple, easy, and delicious. That's what's up. Now I'm gonna let this cook for about 5 more minutes, and then it's time to eat. You can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Yo, that's all for this time. See you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.